Hey YouTube, I got a question from AK565 about setting up a floor desk at home or an ergonomic desk setup from home if you're doing work from home. And so, simple thing, you've got a laptop, I'm gonna assume, so you need the laptop and you absolutely need to buy a mouse and a keyboard. I don't care if you think they're too expensive, you need to do it because you cannot set up a good work desk setup without having a mouse and a keyboard. There's just no way to do it. So go get those things. Now, look around at my workstation right now. I am traveling. I'm staying in my mom's living room right now. So that's where I sleep. And this is what I'm working with, okay? I don't have to buy anything expensive or crazy. I didn't have to bring a hydraulic desk or anything. Wait, is that? Yeah, it's a garbage truck. That's my son's garbage truck. He's taking a nap, so I have that. And then I've got some sewing stuff and then a library book. And then I've got my mouse on top. Okay, so does it work? Yes, it absolutely works. Is it more ergonomic than just typing on a laptop? Yes, it is. Is it perfect? Well, it's pretty good because I can actually move this around. I could go to the kitchen if I want. I could choose a different couch and put some stuff there. Now, what if you're at home and you actually want to use a table and a real chair and you're looking at your laptop and it's down here and you don't like the hunch and you just want it to be a little bit higher and this is all okay, but what do you do? What do you do? The simple answer is to use objects to raise the laptop. So I personally like to have a bunch of yoga blocks around, not just for stretching, but also for changing my workstation ergonomics. Ta-da, my monitor, my laptop are now at the height that I want them to be at. Easy peasy. Now, if I want to create a standing workstation, I could do that too. I would just need enough objects to help me do it. So I can just use my yoga blocks and elevate my keyboard here. I could do this. I got that going on. If I want it to be higher, I can use cardboard box, something to just lift this up so it's nice and high, or I can use a folding ergonomic workstation, which I love. I have one of those. If I'm done with it, I can just take everything down. I can move the yoga blocks, I can take them away. You've got boxes, you've got everything you need somewhere in your house as long as you are creative about it. This, by the way, is a folding cardboard workstation desk thingy, so you can easily put it anywhere you want. And it's not expensive. It costs like $20 or $30 on Amazon, and it's super, super easy to just fold up and toss away when you're done with it. Subscribe to the channel, and remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.